Hello, my name is Chandoo. Let me share two of my absolute favorite Excel features that I really loved in 2024. I'm picking two because I couldn't really decide between either of them. The first one is the newly added let function to Excel. I think it has been around for about a couple of years now, but this year I really used let every time I got a chance to work with it, and the results were phenomenal. I went so far as to even create a fully functional interactive Excel dashboard with just one let function. I got a video of that on my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about it, but you don't need to go that far. You can use let to speed up your formulas, simplify the formula writing experience itself, take out all the repetitive logic and put that into one variable with let and use that subsequently to build up your complex business rules. So use let. I have been using let in both my personal spreadsheets as well as when I'm teaching, as well as when I work with clients. And every time the results have been impressive. The second one is the check performance button in the review ribbon of Excel. This is a godsend. This year alone, when I was working with a client, every time they send me a file, they do an extract from an accounting system and then send the file to me. The files are usually quite large. I mean, they're not very, very large, but they're always about 1 megabyte or 2 megabytes like that. But I know that there is not that much data in there. And for a while, I was surprised. But I think halfway through the year, every time I got the file and I opened the file, Excel would automatically launch this check performance feature and then say that there are a bunch of blank cells that don't have any data, but just formatting applied to that. I think this is what happens when you extract data from a system. It generates data in a pre-configured format, and that was adding all the million rows and all these columns format to that before even putting the data there. And that's why the file size was getting bloated and it became very slow. But using the check performance tab, it's just a simple matter of clicking a button and all this excess formatting will be removed automatically. And my file size became small. My files became much more responsive and I got to save time. So check performance, the button is in the review ribbon. So there you go. Those are my two of the absolute favorite features of Excel this year. What about you? What do you like? Let us all know by leaving a comment or writing a reply to John. Thanks, John, for this opportunity to share my favorite tip with your viewers. And if you do need to find more about me, check out my channel on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and search for Chandoo or go to my website, chandoo.org. I wish you all a very pleasant and fun-filled holiday season, and I hope to meet you sometime somewhere else again.